Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is card day, but we have a quick and easy, and I talked about this in my last video because I wanted to really share this because September 6th is right around the corner, and I want you to grab this bundle because this is so stinking cute. And I really wanted to share this because this bag is actually a die as well. So it is called the Tricks or Treats, and I actually used the dies from this bundle the other day on Sunday making the candy corn because it has the candy corn dies in this bundle. So it's called Tricks or Treats and the Tricks or Treats dies. And so it has a bunch of dies in it. So this is the little ones for the candy corn. I don't know what that is. And this cuts out little holes, but I'm going to punch my own in this one. This cuts out the little house, and it cuts out a tag. It's got some little stars, and it cuts out this little ghost, another tag, and then this is another tag, I believe, right here. Yeah, that's for the trick-or-treat. It'll fit in that, but I'm going to make my own little trick-or-treat, like a little bag right here. So this is what I'm using for this, the same one. Put this on your wish list. It's so darn cute. And I'm not a huge Halloween person, but I have been going crazy with some Halloween. Now, the die that gonna cut the little top of this little, what I'm calling my trick-or-treat bag, this is also in that die. We're gonna do, not Frankenstein, but we're gonna do Dracula today, this little Dracula guy, because I wanna show you how cute they are. I cut out the boo already with the basic black. And we are using our little gingham ribbon this time. This is to cut out our little Dracula. And then the dies to cut out the bag are right here. So you have to cut 2 of these, which I already did. And I used the Them Bones Designer Series paper for this. It says Boo on it. And so we're using that one, the same Designer Series paper. So you just need to cut 2. This goes super quick and easy. You can also cut the top of the box with this. So you can go across and cut the top of the box with that as well if you want to do that. You have so many options with this. It's really so cute. Alright, so let's get started with this. I'm going to go ahead and do our stamping, and we're going to stamp the trick or treat, run that through, run our little Dracula through, and then we'll do the bag. It's super easy. So this is what I'm sharing today. I really wanted to share this before our catalog goes live because this is such a good one for like classrooms. They go together super quick. For just your co-workers, friends, anybody. It'd be so cute to put on a table for Halloween party. So I'm using thick basic black. For our little Dracula, I'm going to use Orchid Oasis. But I'm going to stamp him off once because I think it comes too dark if you just stamp it, because this is really juicy. So I'm just going to stamp him off because I just want him light colored like that. Now you can make it dark if you like it dark. It comes very dark. And then I'm going to use Memento Black for his hair. So cute. And then his little face. So he is done. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness, these things are so adorable. I'm going to cut him out with this, but we are going to stamp our trick or treat on our piece of cardstock, which is 1 3/4 by 2.5. I'll put this in my inspiration sheet. We're going to stamp the trick or treat with Memento Black. I should have left that out. And then I am going to run this one, this little jagged one, across the top here so it looks like a little trick or treat bag. I already cut out the boo with basic black, so I'm just going to cut these out and I'll be right back with both of those. Okay, so we have him cut out and we have the little trick or treat bag. I meant to mention to you that the ears point up. So when you're stamping it, make sure your ears are pointing up because the first couple times I did it, I had the ears pointing down, so make sure you do that. All right, so let's get this all together. Scoot these out of the way. Get our little bag. Everything has its score mark. You can just fold these with your fingers. So everything's scored for you and everything's super easy. These go really quick. You can even have your kids help you with these. They're so easy. All right, so I am going to put adhesive on this side. I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus because I just like to use the heavy duty adhesive. You can use tear and tape. Just put it on that little end there. Line this up. Don't go over your score mark because that's where it folds. And then this one just folds. You can just fold that down, fold that over. And then these two fold in. It doesn't matter which side goes first because whatever side goes back will be your front. So that'll be the front of mine. I'm going to just use a punch to punch the holes for this. And I'm just going to use the regular hole punch, my regular hole punch, not that one. Just a regular hole punch. This works so much easier for me. And I'm going to punch 2. And then I just kind of squeeze it down. And I mark with my pencil the other 2. And then I just punch those so they line up. It doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. All right, now I'm going to just squeeze this together so my holes are all together. We're going to grab our ribbon. We're going to put our ribbon through. I love the gingham with this. And we're going to go all the way to the front. You can tie a knot or you can tie a bow. I like tying the bow. But sometimes, you know, boys are a little finicky about a bow beyond there when they're a certain age. My grandson was like, don't tie a bow, just tie a knot. So put your candy in there and tie your little bow here. You can do half bows and half, depending who they have in their classroom. But I think like the Dracula looks, you know, it could be boy or girl, but I think it looks kind of boyish. All right, we're gonna trim that. By the way, this is our the gingham ribbon in the black and white. We have a new gingham too. This has very vanilla in it, but this is the other one that we have that's in our annual catalog. So if you like this, the white one better, you can get this one. All right. It works a lot better when you have something in it. I should have put some candy in it. All right, so let's grab our little pieces here. We're gonna just glue on our trick or treat. I'm gonna use wet glue. I'm really trying to use this glue up. So we are gonna just glue this piece on here. I might have to stick my fingers in there because it'll make it a little bit easier. All right, and then we're going to do our little guy here. We're going to pop up with some dimensionals. These go super quick and easy ones. I should have pushed that down a little bit. Let's just scoot it down a hair. We can still do that. Let's add a little bit of glue down here. Then I'll add my little guy right here. And then we'll put our boo on. Down here. You can put, there's an eek on there too, E-E-K. You can put that on here. You can put whatever you want. It's so darn cute. Mix and match these. You can put one Dracula, one Frankenstein. There's so many things. I love Frankenstein. He's just so dang cute. I love the little cartoon-like looks of these guys. All right, so there you go. They're all ready to go. Fill them with goodies. This one I already put some candy in. I was going to do that for this one and I forgot. But yeah, they're both so stinking cute and so easy to do. I hope you enjoy it, everyone. If you need any supplies, I appreciate you using the host code if you order with me. It's super easy to do. In fact, I'm thinking of doing a tutorial because a lot of people don't know how to use the host code. It's super easy. All you have to do is add it when you're in your order. It'll even ask for it. So yeah. I hope you all have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.